Hello, welcome back to M365 Professional. When it comes to data governance, setting up the policies isn't the problem. 41% of executives said that their biggest issue was enforcing information governance policies. Once created as a compliance manager, no matter where you find financial services, you are responsible to many regulatory bodies. Business units and financial services institutions have historically managed their own data governance initiatives. So coordinating enterprise-wide compliance for regulations can be a challenge without a good grasp on what data it has and where the data is. Weak data governance exposes financial organizations to regulatory risk. Compliance teams need to be able to design governance policies that are easy to use and easy to enforce. 92% of IT decision-makers with data in the cloud are confident in their ability to be compliant with the GDPR, compared with just 65% of those who prefer to store data on premises. Why is this? We can't answer for all cloud providers, but we know for Microsoft 365 customers, Microsoft assumes and manages the larger part of controls. This enables organizations to focus on and manage a smaller subset of regulatory compliance controls. Microsoft 365, which brings together Office 365, Windows 10, and Enterprise Mobility and Security, gives you the tools to enforce your data governance policies. It helps you to know and classify your data, preserve high-value data in place, and purge what's redundant, trivial, or obsolete with confidence. It provides cloud intelligence for proactive policy recommendations based on your criteria. There are built-in policies that help you comply with important regulations like the GDPR, or outsourcing requirements such as by the FFIC in the US or the European Banking Authority. In Europe, it provides default alerts to ensure good data governance on your behalf. The service leverages cloud intelligence to automatically detect anomalous governance, like an unusual volume of file downloads compared to regular usage of the service. As you assess your organization's compliance posture, an overview of the data in your tenant highlights how much data is currently in your organization, where it is, and how it's growing over time. This summary can help you to confidently take charge of your data governance practices and ensure you are not overlooking any data sets. It all starts when you bring in your data, including on-premises data, to the cloud. There are intelligent capabilities in advanced data governance that allow you to filter your data, so you only import what you need into Office 365, including non-Microsoft data. Do you treat all data the same? No, certain requirements under MiFID and SEC require retention of specified data for prescribed time periods. At the same time, firms may also be required by the GDPR to delete customer data on demand. Navigating compliance can be tricky, but Office 365 makes it easy for you to govern your data by letting you create the policies you want to support your firm's specific needs. Design your policies to proactively comply with both industry regulations and internal policies. For example, retain content as long as required for compliance, while simultaneously setting deletion dates to minimize security risk. Say goodbye to the pain of managing separate application-specific policies. Now you can quickly create a universal policy across the entire Office 365 service, or pinpoint specific policies for different users, like employee groups that may have access to a customer's personal information or sensitive data types like a credit card number. Labels and Office 365 make it easy for your organization to follow information governance policies. Creating them is similar to building a new governance policy. Here you can see the labels deployed to the Outlook web app. Labels help ensure compliance, and data governance is not just an administrator task system. Default alerts are available out of box to identify data governance risks, such as unusual volume of file deletion. Coupled with data loss prevention policies, you can help prevent the accidental sharing of sensitive information and teach users how to stay compliant without interrupting their workflow together. Retention policies, classification labels, and alerts give compliance teams the right tools. The tools needed to meet the diverse and unique data challenges facing the financial services sector. Thank you for watching this video.